This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public gym. First, familiarize yourself with the layout. Find the locker rooms, water stations, and emergency exits. Don't hesitate to ask staff for a quick tour or if you have any questions about equipment. Remember to bring a towel and a water bottle. It's important to feel comfortable and prepared for your workout session. Safety is paramount when using gym equipment. Always wipe down machines and benches before and after your workout. If you're unsure how to use a piece of equipment, look for the instructional diagrams or ask a staff member for assistance. Begin with a weight that allows you to maintain good form for 8 to 12 repetitions. Proper technique prevents injuries and maximizes results. Good gym etiquette ensures a pleasant experience for everyone. Be mindful of others by not monopolizing equipment, especially during busy times. If someone is waiting, offer to work in sets. Avoid making excessive noise, like dropping heavy weights. Always re-rack your weights and return any accessories to their designated spots. This keeps the gym tidy and safe for all members. To get the most out of your gym time, plan your workout before you arrive. This helps you stay focused and efficient. Incorporate a warm-up and cool-down for about 5 to 10 minutes each. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting out. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your workout routine is effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.